18 classic cars that are actually relatively affordable to own. As modern cars become more digital, many enthusiasts are turning to classic cars for their analog charm, simplicity, and ease of repair. While sourcing parts can be challenging, there are still many classic cars that are affordable, reliable, and enjoyable to own. Jaguar E-type. The Jaguar E-type is a classic British sports car, famous for its stunning design and impressive performance. With a top speed of 150 miles per hour, it was one of the fastest cars of its era. The E-type's sleek lines and curvaceous body have made it an automotive icon. Despite the high costs of maintenance and restoration, its relatively accessible price of around $99,247 for used models makes it a great investment for collectors. The car's historical significance and beautiful styling ensure it remains a dream for classic car enthusiasts. First-generation Chevrolet Camaro. The first-generation Chevrolet Camaro, produced from 1967 to 1969, is an American muscle car that combines raw power with aggressive styling. It's powered by a range of engines, including V8s, that deliver exhilarating performance. The Camaro's muscle car heritage and strong fan following make it a popular choice among enthusiasts. With an average price of $74,782 for a used model, it offers a more affordable entry into the world of classic American muscle cars. Its performance and iconic looks continue to attract collectors and drivers alike. DeLorean DMC-12. The DeLorean DMC-12 is instantly recognizable for its futuristic gull-wing doors and stainless steel body, made famous by the Back to the Future movies. Though its performance was relatively modest, its unique design and cultural significance make it a standout classic. Prices for used DeLoreans average around $59,745, making it an accessible classic for those looking for something offbeat and memorable. The DMC-12 remains a favorite for collectors drawn to its history and pop culture status. Despite its quirks, it's a fascinating piece of automotive history. First-generation Ford Mustang. The first-generation Ford Mustang, introduced in 1964, is a beloved American muscle car known for its stylish looks and strong performance. It was available in various trims, including fastback and convertible options, appealing to a wide range of drivers. With its famous V8 engine, the Mustang set the standard for American muscle cars. The average used price of $56,722 makes it an affordable way to own a piece of American automotive history. It remains one of the most iconic and accessible classic cars on the market today. Honda S600. The Honda S600, produced from 1964 to 1969, is a small but spirited Japanese sports car that delivers an engaging driving experience. It's equipped with a 1.0-liter engine that offers surprising performance for its size. The S600's lightweight construction and sporty handling make it a joy on twisty roads. With an average price of $47,383 for a used model, it's an affordable option for anyone looking for a classic Japanese sports car. Its rarity and strong build quality make it a great investment for classic car collectors. 1964 Chevrolet Impala. The 1964 Chevrolet Impala is a classic full-size American car, known for its sleek lines and smooth ride. Its large V8 engine options offer strong performance, while the spacious interior makes it a comfortable cruiser. With an average price of $45,880 for a used model, the Impala remains a relatively affordable classic with a timeless design. Its popularity among low-rider enthusiasts adds to its desirability, making it a solid choice for collectors. the Impala's legacy of luxury and style continues to shine in the world of classic cars. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino is a unique blend of muscle car and pickup truck, offering the performance of a muscle car with the utility of a truck bed. Powered by a V8 engine, it combines speed with practicality. With an average price of $36,600 for a used model, the El Camino offers a great mix of utility and classic appeal. Its rarity and distinctive design make it a standout in the world of classic cars. The El Camino remains an attractive option for anyone seeking a functional yet stylish vintage vehicle. 1970 Pontiac GTO. The 1970 Pontiac GTO is a classic American muscle car known for its powerful V8 engine and bold styling. As one of the original muscle cars, the GTO is revered for its performance and thrilling driving experience. The average price for a used GTO is around $36,600, making it a relatively affordable entry into the muscle car world. Its strong performance and iconic status ensure it remains highly desirable among collectors. The GTO's legendary reputation and aggressive styling continue to captivate car enthusiasts. Chevrolet C3 Corvette. The Chevrolet C3 Corvette, produced from 1968 to 1982, is a quintessential American sports car known for its striking design and high performance. With a range of powerful engines, including the V8, the C3 Corvette delivers thrilling speed and agility. Its iconic Mako shark design and low-slung body make it a symbol of American automotive culture. The average price of $35,605 for a used model makes it a relatively affordable option for anyone seeking a classic sports car. The Corvette's timeless appeal and performance capabilities continue to make it a sought-after classic. Datsun 240Z. The Datsun 240Z, produced from 1969 to 1973, is a Japanese sports car that combines style, performance, and affordability. With its lightweight construction and agile handling, it provided an alternative to European sports cars of the time. The 240Z's sleek design and strong reliability make it a favorite among enthusiasts. Priced at an average of $34,422 for a used model, the 240Z is one of the more affordable options for those looking for a classic sports car. Its reputation for reliability and fun driving experience make it a standout in the classic car market. 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire. The 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire is a full-size luxury car that offers a smooth ride, powerful performance, and elegant design. It features a V8 engine and a spacious, well-appointed interior, making it a comfortable cruiser. At an average price of $29,709 for a used model, the Starfire remains an affordable luxury car for collectors. Its distinctive design and powerful engine make it a standout from the early 1960s. The Starfire's rarity and unique appeal continue to attract classic car enthusiasts. 1977 Ford F-150. The 1977 Ford F-150 is a rugged American pickup truck that combines practicality with solid performance. It is part of the F-Series lineup, known for its durability and versatility. With an average price of $27,184 for a used model, the F-150 offers a more affordable option for those seeking a vintage American pickup. Its simple design and reliable performance make it a great vehicle for both work and recreation. The 1977 F-150 remains an iconic choice for truck enthusiasts looking for a classic. Porsche 944. The Porsche 944, produced from 1982 to 1991, is a balanced sports car that offers excellent handling and a refined driving experience. With its front-engine layout and sleek design, the 944 delivers a comfortable yet sporty drive. The average price for a used 944 is $21,778, making it one of the more affordable options in the Porsche lineup. Its relatively low cost of maintenance compared to other Porsches adds to its appeal. The 944 remains a great option for enthusiasts seeking a classic European sports car. 1965 Ford Thunderbird. The 1965 Ford Thunderbird is a luxurious personal car that combines sophisticated design with impressive performance. Known for its spacious interior and powerful V8 engine, it offers a smooth and comfortable ride. The average price for a used Thunderbird is around $18,600, making it an affordable luxury car from the 1960s. Its classic design and refined features make it a standout among American luxury cars. The Thunderbird remains a highly regarded classic, perfect for those seeking style and comfort at an accessible price. BMW 63 SCIE 24. The BMW 63 SCIE 24, produced from 1983 to 1989, is a luxury sports coupe that offers both style and performance. With its sleek design and inline-six engine, the E24 offers an enjoyable driving experience and solid handling. The average price for a used E24 is $17,380, making it a relatively affordable entry into the world of classic BMWs. Its distinctive styling and solid build quality make it an appealing option for collectors. The E24 is perfect for those seeking a classic sports coupe with both luxury and performance. BMW 325 E30. The BMW 325 E30, produced from 1985 to 1992, is a beloved classic known for its exceptional handling and performance. Its rear-wheel drive layout and smooth inline-six engine provide a connected driving experience. The average price for a used E30 is $17,289, making it one of the more affordable classics in the BMW lineup. Its popularity among car enthusiasts ensures that parts and restoration options are readily available. The E30 remains a great option for anyone looking for a classic BMW that balances performance, style, and value. Jaguar XJS AJ Sex. The Jaguar XJS AJ Sex, produced from 1986 to 1996, is a luxury sports coupe that combines performance with elegance. Its smooth AJ6 six-cylinder engine offers a comfortable ride, while the car's refined suspension provides excellent handling. Priced at an average of $15,323 for a used model, the XJS is an affordable way to experience British luxury. Its sleek design and smooth performance make it a great option for collectors who want a more accessible Jaguar classic. The XJS's style and comfort continue to appeal to classic car enthusiasts. Mercedes W123. The Mercedes-Benz W123, produced from 1976 to 1985, is a solidly built luxury sedan known for its durability and reliability. It was available in sedan, coupe, and wagon configurations, offering a variety of options for buyers. With an average price of $14,626 for a used model, the W123 is one of the more affordable Mercedes classics. Its reputation for longevity and low cost of ownership make it a popular choice among classic car buyers. The W123's timeless design and reliability continue to make it an excellent investment for anyone seeking a durable